Hello students, I am Selvi from JSBM. I am going to take a class for chemistry. Today we are going to learn the solution lesson. Before that, we want to learn some basic concept of this lesson. Why we need solution in everyday life. Do you have imagined that without seawater we can able to live? No. So one of the naturally occur solution is seawater. We can't able to imagine that without the seawater. So solution is very important. Daily life, day-to-day life, human activity like washing, cooking, each and every work depend upon the solution only. For example, drinks we take like fruit juice, tea, coffee. So everything is a solution. So solution is very important in our life. So now we going to learn the what is mean by solution. We going to learn what is mean by solution means is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components, that is called as a solution. So now we learn about what is mean by homogeneous. Homogeneous means it is a only one. Simple thing we can easily remember that homo means is a one, hetero means it is a two. So consider the two mixture of one is which contains salt and water, so another one which contains sand and water. So first I want to take the first case. In the first case, salt dissolve in water, they form the salt fully dissolve in a water, they form uniform layer, that is called as a homogeneous mixture. We can't able to see the solute any other particles in the solvent, that is called as a homogeneous mixture. For example, on a daily life we want to use juice, tea, coffee, that is called as a homogeneous. In another hand, I take the sand and water, we can't able to separate it, so we can able to easily separate only the filtration method only, they form two layers of the solution will be make, that is called as a heterogeneous mixture. Next we want to learn what are the components they present in the solution. We know solution is a homogeneous mixture, two or more substances. In a solution, the component which is present in less amount, that is called as a solute. The larger amount of the component, that is called as a solvent. For example, I want to take 1 glasses of water, then 2 spoons of the sugar. The sugar dissolve in water, which component will be dissolved, that is called as a solid. Which one you can able to dissolve, that is called as a solvent. For example, sugar and water, salt and water. So like that we want to take a solvent act as a dissolving medium in a solution, so that is called as a dissolution. Also we say that what is meant by dissolution means uniform distribution of the solute in the solvent, that is called as a dissolution. For example, in the same example only, the sugar they dissolve in a water, fully they dissolve, so no more solute in the solvent, that is called as a uniformly they dissolve without any disturbing of the solvent, that is called as a dissolution. So I need to take the same NaCl means is a common salt, they dissolve in a water is an example. Next we going to learn binary solution. What is mean by binary solution? The name itself we can easily identify. Bi means it is a two. So a solution is made up of one solvent and one solute, that is called as a binary solution. For example, in the copper sulfate crystal I will take, they dissolve in a water, they form copper sulfate solution, that is called as a binary solution. Next we go for the ternary solution. What is meant by ternary solution? Two or more two solute will dissolve in a solvent, that is called as a ternary solution. For example, salt and sugar they dissolve in water, that is called as a ternary solution. So next we go for the, now we are learn what is meant by solution. So what are the components will be present in a solution, we are learn. Next is a very important topic, we go for types of solution. In the type of the solution is divided into the three parts. First one based on the physical state, next one based on the solvent, next one based on the solute. These are the three types. First we go for the first type, based on the physical state of the solute and the solvent. We know that substances are normally existed in three physical state. For example, in our class we already studied solid, liquid, gas, molecular arrangements and all we are already learned. So in a binary solution, both the solvent and solute may exist in both a physical state. It's like a solid, it's like a gas, it's like a liquid, like that. So Some example also I will given in the tabular column. For example, I will give the solute, solvent, and some example also I will give. For example, I want to take the solute is a solvent nature, then solvent also is a solid in nature. For example, copper dissolved in cold. We are already learned alloys. What is meant by alloys and all we are already learned. So next one, liquid solution. So solute and solvent both are liquid state. For example, ethyl alcohol they dissolve in water. So in a chemistry lab already we learned. So next one, gaseous solution. So the same thing only, the solid and the solute and solvent is a gaseous state. For example, mixture of the helium helium in oxygen gases, that is called as a physical state. The same solvent and solute occur in a same state. Some example also they are given in a table. So next we going to learn based on the type of the solvent. Most of the substances are soluble in water. That is why we called water is a universal solvent. Some substances they do not dissolve in water. So other solvent also we are used, such as organic substance, organic solvent also used. For example, ether, benzene, alcohol. So another on the basis of the types of solvent, solution are divided into the two types. One is the aqueous solution, another one is a non-aqueous solution. First we are going to learn what is meant by aqueous solution. In the aqueous solution, water is act as a solvent. Generally ionic compounds are soluble in water to form the aqueous solution. For example, salt in water. So next one, non-aqueous solution. Other than water solvent is called as a non-aqueous solution. For example, also they are given sulfur is dissolved in the carbon disulfide. The sulfur only dissolved in the carbon disulfide only. Next example, the iodine is dissolved only for the carbon tetrachloride only. That is called as a non-aqueous solution. So next one, based on the amount of the solute. The amount of the solid can dissolve in the given amount of the solvent under given some conditions. So the based on the amount of the solid, they can divide it into the three types. One is a saturated solution, another one is an unsaturated solution. So third one is a super saturated solution. I show in the picture also. First we want to learn the saturated solution. What is meant by saturated solution? A solution more solute can dissolve, but a solution no more solute can be dissolved in a definite amount of the solvent at a given temperature. That is called as a saturated solution. For example, I want to take 36 gram of sodium chloride can dissolve in 100 grams of the water at a given temperature 25 degrees Celsius. That is called as a saturated solution. Saturated solution means no more solute can present in the solvent. That is called as a saturated solution. The amount will take 36 grams. It's a definite amount. So next we going for the unsaturated solution. So now we going to see what is meant by unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution means the solution is less than that of the saturated solution. For example, saturated solution I will take 36 gram. Less than that of 10 gram or 20 grams or 30 grams will take the sodium chloride. The dissolved in 100 grams of water at a given temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. That is called as unsaturated solution. Next we are going to learn super saturated solution. What is meant by super saturated solution? For example, more solute than that of the saturated solution. That is called as a super saturated. So saturated solution amount is 36, but super saturated solution the solute I will take 40 grams. For example, we want to take a biryani, like that we want to eat more amount. So like that only the super saturated is amount is of 40 grams we want to take. Why we want to 40 grams? How it is a dissolve means we want to give some external temperature, some external pressure will be given in the super saturated solution. Then only the solid we can able to dissolve in a water. So next we going to learn concentration of solution. The concentration of the solution is divided into the two type. One is concentrated solution, another one is a dilute solution. You are given in a 2 cups of tea. When you taste them, you feel that one is sweeter than other. What do you infer from it? The tea is sweeter, more contains high amount of the sugar than of other. We can say that it is stronger than T is stronger, we can able to say that. But chemistry we can use the word is it is a concentrated. So now we going to learn the what is meant by dilute solution, what is meant by concentration solution. What is meant by dilute solution means it is a the solute amount will be the less amount, that is called as a dilute solution. So next one, concentrated solution. What is meant by concentrated solution means the solute amount will be the higher amount, that is called as a concentrated solution.